And the long, painful process begins. Hello guys, I'm Eddie B. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And in today's video, it is time to take the doors off and get the car ready for paint. Okay, get it ready for paint. So basically guys, we gotta take the doors off, and then we gotta clean everything on the inside that is gonna be painted. And then what we gotta do, which is we're gonna be sanding down, then what we're gonna do is we need to cover the windows on the outside and inside in order to paint it properly. So let's get to it. Alright guys, to remove the door, we gotta remove 8 bolts in total and 1 pin. And the 1 pin we gotta remove, guys, is this one right here. It's a cutter pin, gotta remove it in order for the door to come off, because that thing will slide out. Then we gotta remove 4 on top and 4 on bottom, and the door should easily just come out. Okay guys, so I was able to remove that relatively easy. That cutter pin, even if it breaks, you can easily remove it. I'm glad this door is not a new car, so we have no wires right now. Yeah, just time to take out these bolts and we're good to go. And here's the thing, interesting guys, we only have to sand down the parts that get painted. We don't actually have to sand that down, but we'll still clean it. But the main point is we gotta sand down all of this. This gets covered with the panel, so it's not really that important. Yep. One more smaller. That's too big. Alright guys, so now these are actually 0.5 millimeters, and you just unbolt. I tell you guys, these doors are not light. I had to put something underneath so that they don't fall right away once I'm done. But yeah, got it unbolted. Now, look at all the space we got I can work with. So, I was able to get it unbolted, you know. Just got to clean everything where it's going to be painted. I'm probably going to have to clean all this around here. And yeah, oh, got to remove this yet. So this is on the glue. We have to remove this yet. So once we remove that, we'll be good to go. But now what we did on the left side, we have to do on the right side as well. So let's get to it. And guys, I can't finish working or do work on this project car without a Dr. Pepper. Not a sponsor. Looks like we got ourselves a pet sheep here. Lamb, little lamb. Helping us with the work. So these guys suckers, I forgot to update you, are washed, these doors. We're not going to care about overspray, just going to cover the windows with masking tape once they dry off, but just they're drying off right now because we washed them through. Okay guys, so now on the interior we need to take off the back windows and the rubber gaskets, and we gotta vacuum this whole place up, and then we could clean up the whole interior, wash it off basically, get it ready for paint inside and let the car dry outside, and then off to the paint shop or painter it goes for the interior. Okay guys, so now we are sanding down the whole interior. Once we finish sanding down the whole interior, we're going to leave the car to dry in the shop all night. Gonna wipe it off then in the morning when it comes to, and mask everything up and tape it, but that's what we're currently doing. Alright guys, so now the car is drying off on the inside. I'd open the hood so there's no rust in the interior of the engine and stuff. But wash it off for the paint guy when he's gonna do the exterior. See how dirty this, where the chrome brackets were. So now it's clean. Gonna let it dry on the inside all the way and get ready for painting it tomorrow. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.